Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Coding Expert. In today's video, we'll walk you through the exact steps to unenroll or cancel your Apple developer account. Whether you no longer need it or are switching roles, this quick guide has you covered. Let's get started. Before you start the process, here are a few important things to know. You can't pause or temporarily disable your developer account. Cancellation is permanent and non-refundable. Your apps will be removed from the App Store once your membership ends. You can still access your Apple ID, but not developer features. All right, now let's cancel your developer membership. Step 1. Go to developer.apple.com account and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 2. On the left panel, click on Membership. Step 3. Scroll down and you'll find the option to cancel your membership or contact Apple support. I don't have an active membership, so I can't see the Cancel Your Membership option here. If you don't see a direct cancel button, you'll need to contact Apple Developer Support. Just head over to https:/developer.apple.com/contact/select. Membership and account, enrollment and account management, then choose Cancel Membership and submit your request. Once Apple processes your request, your apps will be removed from the App Store. You'll lose access to developer tools like TestFlight, certificates, and provisioning profiles. Your Apple ID will still work for regular Apple services like iCloud, iTunes, etc. And that's it! Now you know how to unenroll your Apple developer account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech how-tos and Apple tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.